Guys, oh my god. Look at how crazy this wind is right now. Can you guys see that? Look at how that tree is going. Oh my gosh, something flew in my eyes, guys. You see girl Ocean JA? I'm about to go outside in this wind. Guys, I just feel like going outside, but it's crazy outside. Can you guys hear that wind? Listen to that. Yo, it's crazy, man. What?
The car is kind of shaking.
There's nothing there, man. Guys, look at that outside. It's crazy. Yo, the wind is ridiculous. Can you guys hear that outside? I'm afraid to go outside, guys. Something flew in my eyes, man. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You don't know. Join the family, become a wave. It's the girl Ocean JAYT. Why not? Right, guys? Outside is crazy right now. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit. So you don't know. It's ridiculous. The wind is crazy, man. Guys, I hope you guys are being safe. Look at that. Look at how it goes. Look at how it's going on. Look at that. Oh man, it's crazy. Guys, please stay safe out there. You don't know what it is already. Stay safe out there, guys. It's a girl Ocean JYT. Subscribe to my channel, share family and friends, and also give me a thumbs up, guys. You don't know what it is. We appreciate a thumbs up. It shows that you guys care, okay? Have a wonderful day, guys. You don't know. Bye.